If having more flexibility and feeling less pain is something that you want quickly, these shockwave therapy treatments to the following structures can help.
Here, so part of it does become a little bit nasty. Again, that's not going to have that instantaneous sensation of like there was scar tissue there and now there is not. And now, same thing again, you just want to sink straight, tilt the head and kind of angle it. Feel nicer enough. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Round up more. Good. That pelvis under. Thank you. But that does feel sore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, pull back.
Pull back sore.
Pull back with more.
Yep.
Take over.
Going away?
Done totally.
If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I answer all questions within my medical legal limits. If you'd like more information on what we do at City Shockwave or Wildcard Spine and Sport, please go to the link in the bio, click on the website, and contact me. Thanks.